Today is Saturday, February 22nd. This is the 1969-1970 Cadillac functional validation test for the Cadillac windshield wiper control module. This unit has been completely restored as depicted in the predecessor video. This is video number 2 out of a 3-video set. I've got the unit connected to power. I'm going to go ahead and apply actuation to the wash button, and we can see the light bulb coming on in concert with the actuation of the button. Okay, I'll go ahead now and move it to the low position. Move it to the medium position. The light bulb comes on. Move it to the high position. And the light bulb comes on. Okay. So this is the 1969-1970 Cadillac DeVille and Eldorado windshield wiper control module. This is from my friend Roderick in Texas. This is the second video out of a 3-video set. This particular unit in 1969 and 1970 fits into the plastic housing that's mounted right near the A-pillar at the front of the door. Mounts as such right in this cavity over here. Okay, has a very long screw that goes into this area for attachment. Screws right in there. And that's basically how the mounting is facilitated inside the plastic housing, which is mounted on the door panel all the way forward near the A-pillar of the vehicle. Okay, so this will include, in Roderick's order, the outer housing, the mounting screw, the 3 internal mounts that are facilitated onto the upholstered door panel. Basically screw on as such. And that's how you mount it onto the door panel. Included in Roderick's order is the left-hand driver's side escutcheon bezel for the power window switches and the lockout switch and the power door locks, as well as the restored windshield wiper motor that goes with the switch and the suction throttling valve. Separately, I'm doing a video on the 4 power window motors, left, right, front, and rear. And separately, I'll do another video on the rear window polished stainless steel trim, which is the California edition from 1967 to 1970 for the Eldorado. Okay, this is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 78 for the Eldorado. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Saturday, February 22nd. Thank you very kindly.